Hello, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and I am also fine. I'm very glad to that you are hearing me now. So you also know that this day is our seventh English practicing day. So day by day we are increasing and we also going faster, going going forward. So I hope you also practicing with me every day, every moments. And our practicing, if you new in our channel or in our video, then I also want to tell you a thing that our we start our journey for 30 days. 30 days we speak, we practice every day, daily, because we know that practice is the key to success. The more you practice, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more you better and adapt skills. So for speaking perfectly and confidently, we have to be practiced a lot of. And we know that the man who succeed in life and the man who speaks a sentence in English fluently, he have to he had to practice this sentence countless. So we have to be practiced a lot of. And you and also know that we everyday practiced by speaking randomly, and I also tell you a thing about a thing. So for today I also want to share with you a thing that life is not easy. Yes, life is not easy. There have both good and bad, like a chapter. If you write a book or if you read a book, there have good and good and bad, both chapter. Because if we add one chapter and another not add, the book not complete. So to be complete or being perfect, a book or a story need both good and bad chapter. So like this book or story, our life. So in our life, both good and bad chapter have. So we have to be grow through both good and bad times. So I think that life don't stay all time easy. You have to be far hard than your life. So I I hope you can overcome these harder times, because when we throw or we pass a hard moment, then come automatically the easy part or easy chapter. So to find a easy chapter, we have to be pass the bad or hard chapter. This is must. Without a hard chapter, we have don't find our easy chapter. So do hard to get a good chapter in your life. So I hope you work hard for finding a good chapter, you don't think that your life is not good. Yes, your life is good, but for this, you have to be pass a bad chapter. Without a bad chapter, we don't find easy chapter. And exception is we if you find first time our easy chapter or pass our easy time, easy moment, then the next time we also find our hard chapter, and this is be harder than your your easy chapter. So it is important to pass the hard chapter or hard story first time. And I hope you learn something new every day and gain a new skill. This is important, not just English. Anything skill is important, I think. And I'm also lucky that you are listening last time. So that's all for today. If you find this video fruitful, then you also can share this video with your friends and keep stay. No, not need to with me. I mean, keep stay and learn something new every day. Keep practice and do better. So have a good day.